since Digit made his Pear Paradise dessert, I've been dying to try it. So I'm going to an expert for help. Hi, Marcus.
How are you? Good to see you.
You too.
Are you ready to cook?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Marcus travels the world cooking delicious food, but I'm pretty sure no one's asked him to make something from cyberspace.
So, one of the best things when you make pastries is that you can taste as you go along. Do you like pear?
I love pears.
I love pear too. So we're gonna cook the pears with nutmeg, cinnamon, and now we need 1 cup of sugar.
I thought you said we needed 1 cup. This one says 1/2.
I know, but can you figure it out?
Maybe we could use the 1/2 cup 2 times.
Perfect. To make the pear paradise, it's all about crunch, pear, and gooiness. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Good. This is a pastry cream that we're just gonna pipe down like this.
It smells good.
And now we gotta put the pears on top. So this pears came from a local farm. The word restaurant means to restore your community, which really means that as often as possible we can buy from our local farmers. We try to do that. Now we're gonna put whipped cream.
You're a really good chef.
I worked with food all my life. And then the last layer. This is the meringue that we're gonna put on top. This is a blowtorch. Only adults should be using this.
Whoa.
Wow, what's
It looks like s'mores.
Voila, drop the mic. We did it. Now we gotta cut it up. All right, jump in. Nice, nice.
No good.
You're good, right?
Best dessert I've ever.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was so much fun cooking with you.
You too.
You're the best.
Watch your favorite shows on your PBS station or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.